Junior, look at me. Look at my face. You think I wake up at 4 a.m. in the morning because I like stress? No. I do because I see a king in you. Now listen. Don't you dare let those boys on the street tell you who you are. You are a son in this house. Now go back in. Wash your face. Because we are starting all over. We don't quit in this family. We don't. I say we don't quit in this family. Do you hear me? You hear me? Good.